Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inequality. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, we need to find the solution of x squared minus ax plus 12 equals to number 0. For this one, we have two solutions. That's about x equals to number 6 and x equals to number 2. Now, we need to draw the table in here. So we have from negative infinity to positive infinity. So we have number 2 and number 6. And we put number 0 in here because this is about the solution of this function in here. If we look carefully, this is about x squared, and we know that coefficient is about number 1. Number 1 is about positive, so the sign in here should be about positive. When we go from here to number 6, you got about negative. From here to here, you got about positive. The question they want to find is smaller than or equals to number 0. So that should be about this one in here. And we need to write the answer just like this, because this is about negative area for this one. Now we do same technique for this one. We need to find the solutions of this one, and we have x equals to number 2 and negative number 3. So we draw the table like this. So I will put negative number 3 on here, number 2 in here. We need to make sure that we need to put them in the order from the left to the right. This one you got about 0 in here. Coefficient of this one is about number 1. Number 1 is about positive. So the sign in here should be about positive. When the number from here go here, you got about negative. From here to here, you got about positive. The question they want to find greater than number 0. So the answer for this one should be like this. From negative infinity to negative number 3. And we have the unions. And we know that should be about the single brackets because we don't have the equal sign in here. If they have the equal sign, we can use about the square brackets. This is about the single. And now we have positive infinity. And this is the final answer. Now we go to the last one. We put about x plus 2 equals to number 0 and x minus 3 equals to number 0 in here. So this one we have x equals to negative number 2 and x equals to positive number 3. Now we need to draw the table in here. So negative number 2 I will put in here. And number 3 I will put in here. I will put about x plus 2, x minus 3. This one we have x plus 2 over x minus 3. So about negative number 2 we put in here. Number 3 we put in here. Next we put the single line because number 3 is not the solution of this one, and negative number 2 is not the solution of this one. That's why we put about the single line in here. We know that coefficient of this one is about number 1. Number 1 is about positive. So the sign in here should be about positive. because this is not the solution, so this one should be about positive. From positive go through to number 0, you got about negative. Similar for this one. We know that number 3 is not the solution in here because we cannot divide by number 0. So we need to put about the double lines in here. Number 0 is about the solution of this one. So we put number 0 in here. Now, plus divide by plus, that means positive divide by positive, you got about positive. Positive divide by negative, you got about negative. Negative divide by negative, you got about positive. Now they want to find is smaller than number 0, so that should be about this one. And we need to write the answer in here. Because we don't have the equal sign, so we need to write like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.